Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple audio tracks to a single video in CapCut PC step by step. You can add background music, sound effects, and voice recordings to the same video for a more professional result. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import your video and all the audio files you want to use. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, drag the first audio file to the audio track below the video. Then, drag the second audio file to another audio track below the first one. Repeat the same steps to add more audio tracks if needed. Next, drag each audio clip to the correct position on the timeline. You can trim, split, or adjust the volume of each audio track to get the best result. Play the video to preview how all the audio tracks sound together. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple audio tracks to a single video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.